extremely fast-paced, evolving industry. Now with image, I think what we are currently suffering from is a sort of a lack of information arbitrage, in the sense that a lot of what we used to hold as unique information is now easily available to everybody because of AI and technology. So my question is, how do you remain relevant and how do you convince somebody of your value when what you think is important today is constantly changing as quickly as in like 5 years or 7 years?
Exactly, that's where relevance comes in, everyone. We have to be in sync with the times. We have to go with the flow. And the flow tells us about what? To be relevant. And I mean, that's the key. So the principle tells us about we have to be the orange. If traditionally we do as a typical Apple, we're in 5 years ago, 10 years down the road, we're still doing the same and the same and the same. That's where we'll be left behind. Now, how do you do that to stay relevant? Some of the actionable items are already tuned in to be more relevant. Example, the question is about how will you address influencers? I'm sure in the midst of TikToks, in the midst of Reels, you see a lot of influencers. But you know, influencers, we want to separate you from influencers. They are being paid. There's something out of it for them to influence, for example, a certain brand, a certain commodity, a certain product or service. In what you do, you get that authenticity going on for you. Wherein you really know exactly your niche, your market, and then you really need to tell them, let them know exactly. It's not anymore that we will be waiting for customers and clients to be with us. It's now doing it like us on their doorstep. That's where stories, that's where reels, that's where content works. Why? If you do contents, for example, I really encourage you to do content for this event alone. That's part and parcel of where authenticity comes in. So how do you move from that question earlier that I posed? It's about what? Will you combat? Will you complement? How will you counter the rise of the influencers? And you have your uniqueness, everyone. It's about telling the story, retelling the story, the good story about you, about what you do to people around you. That's where the big difference between an influencer who are paid in a way. We have brand activation. What do you call this? Opportunities. I have done at least 3 brand endorsements already, and those are all paid.